All right, good afternoon, everybody. So we have another project here. We're going to be installing our new beehive nukes, or one nuke, I guess. So I installed this hive, or just the box, a few weeks ago, a month ago, and got it leveled out, set up here. And now it's time to order the bees, and now they're in. So I got a nuke, which is the place that I got it. It's 5 frames. So I'm going to be bringing that in, installing it, and then making the switch tomorrow. So today what I got to do is build this up. So this is a little low, so I need to build it up with another set of center blocks to get it a little bit higher so I'm not bending over so much. Then move this out of the way, and then I'm going to put the nuke just right where this is going. And so then open up the nuke. It's all enclosed right now. They're kind of behind the screen, so they don't escape yet. But when I get it installed, then I'm going to rip open the screen, and they'll be free to fly out. So what they're going to do is escape and kind of get used to their new life here at our property versus the apiary that I got it from. So give them a day to kind of get acclimated, and then tomorrow I'm going to come out here and make the switch. So we're going to take them out of the nuke box, which is smaller, about half the size, and then put them in this one. So that way they have room to grow, room to add more bees. So anyway, we're going to be doing that today, and so let's get going. Hope it works. All right, so that's pretty much it. We're just gonna let them sit here, kind of get acclimated to the property here, but that's about it. I think that's gonna be what I'm gonna do for today. Let them sit here, kind of get buzzing around. They're doing pretty good. They're pretty calm, but get them to explore, and then tomorrow we're gonna film the switch out. So that's kind of the first half of this video, so appreciate you sticking around. Let's see what tomorrow brings. All right, guys, now it's time to do the switch. It's the next day, middle of the day, and they seem to be kind of busy. So I'm not sure how this is going to go, but this is our first try, so let's get to figuring this out. All right, so we're gonna pop off the lid to this so we can start putting it in there. We're just gonna try to identify the queen. They hit this with some nails so it would stay put during transport. It's a little bit harder to take off.
Y'all take the dogs in the house. Tell them they'll get a treat or something.
Man. Yeah, don't want to set it down like that because there's bees underneath here. There we go. Oh, this is heavy. See all that? It's got a bunch of honey. That's all honey right there. And nectar. Look at all that. It's heavy. I don't see the queen in this one.
Chris, we need to put the smoker out. The smoker's gone the wrong way.
Okay. Take some more honey out.
Put it like in front of me. Something.
Full of nectar and a little bit of brood, it looks like. Maybe. I don't see the queen yet. Okay, this is all brood here. It's all like little baby bees. Nectar, some larvae. Don't see the queen yet though.
Chris, there's an animal behind me. Let it go.
It's Blackbeard, yeah.
I don't want to get stung. He's black. They don't like black stuff. I think it's a bear. Go home, Blackbeard. Y'all get the dogs away. They'll think it's a bear and they'll sting them.
I don't see the queen yet though. I'm not gonna like hold it open for too long, but it's gotta be in here somewhere. Bunch of babies. Oh, it'd be nice to see the queen. I just didn't. Don't see her yet. Sorry, guys. piece of the extra frames we're just going to put to the side for now. Okay. About to make him kind of mad. Just trying to make sure she's not in here, you know. All right.
Where are you gonna put the sugar water?
I gotta have to get an entrance feeder because I don't have the hole in the top of this one, you know.
You just leave it out like on that box?
Well, I'm gonna take it away, but I'm gonna get an entrance feeder that'll feed it so it'll go in the hive. I gotta get one or make one, so I'm gonna take it away for now, and we'll do that. I'll get that to them tomorrow. So
they won't eat it overnight?
They'll be okay for a day. So, all right, I'll take this from you. All right, so that's it.
You can't just leave it out like the sugar water.
We're done. She doesn't want to get in the shot. Anyway, but we're done. That's going to be setting up our first bees. I didn't get the queen. Didn't get to see the queen. She's likely in there. We're just going to let them calm down, maybe check on her later on this week to be sure that she's working. So anyway, appreciate you sticking around for this, and I got another project here ongoing, beekeeping.